let us revise our exam portions. That the first four lessons are our exam portions. First four lessons are our exam portions. So first we can revise the first lesson. Let's stop teasing. Answer the following. Why did Jyoti's friends tease her? Her classmates teased her because of the way she walked. They made fun of the way she talked. They used to laugh at her getting poor marks. Her worn out uniform also invited ridicule. How did Jyoti feel? Jyoti was always lonely, sad and hurt. Every single day she used to go home and weep. How did Jyoti fare at studies? Jyoti was always poor at studies. One reason was her ill health, to which she used to miss classes. Another reason was the lack of proper guidance at home as her parents were illiterate. What did other kids wish to have for Christmas? Kids had expressed their wishes for dolls, toy cars, bicycle, picture books, video games, etc. What did Jyoti wish? Jyoti's Christmas wish was she wanted just one day where no one laughed at her and makes fun of her. How did people feel after reading her letter? People all over the city were moved by her letter. How did her classmates react? Jyoti's friends felt ashamed. They stopped teasing her and started supporting her. Did her classmates tease her again? Why? Her teachers admonished Jyoti's classmates and made them realize their mistakes. Is it good to tease others? No, it is not good to tease others. How will you feel if others tease? If someone teases me, I will feel sad, but I don't care on that. Filling the blanks. Jyoti was always daft at studies. The answer is poor. She was daft by her classmates every single day. Teased. Jyoti went home and daft again. Wept again. The daft sanctioned a grant to Jyoti for undergoing treatment for her problem. That the health minister. The Dash granted her a special scholarship. Education minister. Treat everyone with dash, dash and dash. Treat everyone with respect, dignity and warmth. Second lesson, kindness spreads. Who sat next to Nitin at the bus stop? A lady wearing glasses sat next to him on the waiting bench. What is origami? Origami is a Japanese art of paper cutting. Did Nitin buy the book? Why? No, Nitin didn't buy the book because he had only 2 rupees. What did Nitin see when he was waiting for the bus? Nitin saw a girl trying to cross the road. Why did Nitin panic? He panicked because this was one of the busiest roads in the city with vehicles plying in both directions. Why did the girl try to cross the road on her own? The girl's mother was a little delayed in coming to pick her up. Why did Nitin want to rush back to the bus stop? He suddenly realized that he had left his bag at the bus stop. Who guarded his bag? The lady had guarded his bag. Who brought the book for Nitin? How do you know? The lady by the book for Nitin. She had a proud look in her eyes. Why did the lady buy the book for Nitin? The lady saw that Nitin helped a little girl to cross the road, so she wanted to buy the book for Nitin. Then next lesson, chapter 3, Determination, the story of Wilma Rudolph. Then answer the following. Is that successful people never face problems? Successful people are successful in spite of problems and hurdles. This is because they know how to turn every problem into an advantage and every hurdle into a stepping stone. They don't allow adversity, failure, or disappointment to pull them down. That who was Wilma Rudolph? Wilma Rudolph was an Olympic gold medalist. How did she get paralyzed? When she was 4 years old, she had double pneumonia combined with scarlet fever and left her paralyzed with polio. What did doctors say when she was paralyzed? The doctors told that she will never be able to walk. What did Wilma say to her mother? Wilma told her mother that I want to be the fastest woman on the track on this earth. Did her mother discourage her? No, her mother did not discourage her. What did E. Temple say to Wilma? He told her that with her spirit nobody can stop her. When did Wilma take her first step? When she was 9 years old, against the advice of doctors, she took off the brace. She took her first step. Wilma denied the doctor's prediction that she would never walk. With persistent effort and exercise, she started walking like anyone else. Against whom did Wilma complete at the 1960 Olympics? Jutta Heiner. Why did Wilma become history? History was created when a paralytic woman became the fastest woman on earth. Thus, Wilma did not let her handicap limit her. Instead, she dared to dream that she would falsify the doctor's predictions. With her determination, she turned her dream into a reality. Make sentences with the following words. But Wilma was handicapped, but she went on to become the fastest woman on earth. Though Wilma was handicapped, she became the fastest woman on earth. Although Wilma became the fastest woman on earth, although she was handicapped, even though Wilma became the fastest woman on the earth, even though she was handicapped. Despite being handicapped, Wilma went on to become the fastest woman on the web. Then chapter 4, Our Language, Our Pride. Answer the following. How does Nikita make her friends happy? Nikita made his friends happy by greeting them in their language. Why was their teacher worried? Pooja makes fun of the non-local girls and their language. One day, their teacher happened to notice Pooja's behavior. How many languages could the traveler in the first story speak? The traveler spoke all the languages as fluently as one speaks one's mother tongue. How did Birbal find out the traveler's mother tongue? The traveler was staying at an inn in the city. That night, when he was fast asleep, Birbal quietly entered his room. He tickled the traveler's ear with a blade of dry grass. The traveler was disturbed, but he went on to sleep again. Birbal tickled his ear again. This time, the traveler was wide awake and he shouted angrily in Gujarati. In which language did the traveler speak when he was disturbed in his sleep? The traveler spoke in Gujarati when he was disturbed in his sleep. Why did the four people in the story fight? They wanted to buy the same thing, but they said it in their own language so that others cannot understand. So they started fighting. What did they want? They wanted to buy grapes. Was their conflict justified? Why? Yes, a wise man approached them. When they told him their problem, he bought grapes and distributed them equally among all four of them. Why should we say our language? India is a country where many languages are spoken. Whatever be the language, the spirit is the Indian spirit. That way, all the languages belong to us. In India, people should not say my language, but we should say our language, our pride. How does learning languages help? Knowing other languages increases your confidence, broadens your outlook, frees you from the limits of localization, improves your adjustment capabilities, and makes you more dynamic. How many languages are spoken in India? 22 languages. What are the main four South Indian languages? Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada and Telugu. What do you mean by a dialect? A dialect is a form of the language that is spoken in a particular part of a country or by a particular group of persons. Who is called a polyglot? A polyglot is a person with a command of many languages. He is also called a multilingual. Who is called a linguist? A linguist is a person who studies language. To which group of languages does Sanskrit belong? Sanskrit belongs to the Indo-European family of languages. To which group of languages does Tamil belong? Tamil belongs to southern branch of the Dravidian language. What are main four groups of languages? Indo-European language, Dravidian language, American language, and Sino-Thai language. Then write a letter to your friend inviting him to summer vacation. Dear Joe, thanking you for your previous letter. I hope you are well. Are you looking for the summer holiday? I am waiting to you because I want you to invite you to visit me during the holiday. I think it would be amazing to spend a couple of weeks with you here in the city. I am looking forward to hear from you and hopefully I will see you soon. Kind regards, then your name. Okay, thank you.